Fergie received a ton of backlash and criticism following her national anthem performance, and she's got something to say about it. And so did the rest of the world. It has been said time and time again by some of the most incredible and notable singers that the Star Spangled Banner is not an easy song to perform. However, after singing the national anthem a couple of times over the years, once for President Obama and another time at an NFL game, Fergie decided to change up the usual classic rendition for a different one at the NBA All-Star Game, and needless to say, it fell flat. Quite a few celebs at the game could not keep a straight face during Fergie's performance, and after the camera panned over to Draymond Green, you can hear the crowd cheering but also laughing at the same time in the background. And after that performance, a ton of people on Twitter were wondering what was going on in Fergie's mind after that interesting rendition. One user joked, "Fergie's national anthem finished 30 minutes ago and I still haven't recovered. A part of me will never be the same." While another wondered if Fergie tried to, quote, Marilyn Monroe the Star Spangled Banner. Well, wonder no more, because Fergie released a statement explaining her artistic decision, saying, quote, "I've always been honored and proud to perform the national anthem, and last night I wanted to try something special for the NBA. I'm a risk taker artistically, but clearly this rendition didn't strike the intended tone. I love this country and honestly tried my best." Poor Fergie, the world just wasn't ready for the national anthem to be changed. What do you guys think of Fergie's rendition of the classic song and her statement to all the backlash? Leave your thoughts on this in the comment section below, and then when you're done with that, click right over here to find out why fans think Cardi B was flirting with Rob Kardashian on Instagram. Thanks so much for hanging with me here on Clevver Newsfeed. I'm Naz Perez. Hit me up on my socials at Naz Perez, and I'll see you guys later.